of state your team name and a participant of the Andbox VSC First Pickleball Beginners Cup 2025. Do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this sports competition. As a competitor in the games, I do hereby solemnly swear and agree to play the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship, no matter whether I win or lose. What counts the most is how I conducted myself and played the games in this honorable arena. I do hereby solemnly swear and declare to preserve the tenets and precepts of a true sportsman in thoughts, in words, and in deeds. So help me God.
Thank you so much, Yala.
June. Mr. Andbox himself, Mr. Everyday Hustle himself, Anthony Dose.
Thank you for joining and supporting our community. Buhay tayo lahat. Thank you.
Haba! Haba! Ready pa yung camera.
Thank you, Anthony.
Thank you. Now we'd like to introduce you to our commissioner, Winston Alcantara. Brother, where are you, Mr. Commissioner? Yes, sir.
Idol!
Palakpakan.
Ayun, I just wanna say thank you sa lahat ng nag-participate. Sana mag-enjoy kayong lahat and ayun, enjoy lang tayong lahat. Walang lipunan and
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you, Mr.
our
Commissioner.
commissioner.
And our DJ, we'd like to meet our DJ Kenji Watanabe from the Red Box, Professional Lights and Sound. Now,
Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday, Winston! Yes, sir. Okay. Now, let's do a briefing.
So we would also like to welcome Sir Roy, the General Manager of Village Sports.
Sir Roy.
Oh, congratulations and good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you so much, Adbox, and of course, thank you, everyone. I'm happy to see you guys here. Actually, last night, I was there at the sa Pickle Yard Casma, trying to see yung other courts, no? And I see the community growing. I'm really, I'm 100% convinced that I think the pickleball will sustain in terms of growing the numbers and of course seeing this brand, the Adbox, and enjoy the game. And hopefully let's do it regularly. So again, once again, enjoy the game and have a nice, good morning, have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Sir Roy.
It's a beautiful day for Raptors.
What a privilege to have you today.
Okay, so good morning. Thank you, Anthony, no, for giving me this opportunity. So, basically, thank you. Kahapon. So, I see new faces and I see familiar faces. No, I just hope you guys enjoy today. And I believe this is only the first. No, this is only the first beginners tournament. No, because we usually give, kumbaga, ang usual nating mga tournaments is yung intermediate, advanced. No, this is giving importance to the beginners and novice levels. No, and we hope this is the first of many. Okay, so now, so we could proceed to the games. No, since most of you have been playing, no? Yung iba, last month lang, 2 months ago. But important, you are here. So you know the basic rules. So we have our pool of referees. Our match controls will be headed by Coach Amy Koo. So may mesa doon. So the balls that will be used officially are the balls ng itong tournament. You could use your balls during warm-ups. The games will be timed 12 minutes, no timeout. Change at 6. So no timeouts, guys. So when we say na 12 minutes, sabay-sabay yung simula, sabay-sabay din yung tapos para mahabol natin because we're medyo na tayo on time, no? And of course, your refs will only be responsible for the kitchen line and yung mga footfalls nyo sa service. All others sa end line, sa sides, sa left and right side will be for the account of the players. Okay? So, ang natin dito, if there is a challenge from the other side with regards sa call ng said player, say, I'm receiving and I said it was out, the other side says it was in. If the ref says, if the ref saw it, he can overrule, no? But if the ref didn't see it, he will just say, I cannot rule on it. That's plain and simple, no? Hindi niya pwedeng i-overrule kasi hindi niya nga nakita eh. No? But kailangan may challenge from the other side. If there's no challenge from the other side, the call stays. Okay, so yun tayo, no? So, all beginners, yung mga in and out, that will be for your account. Kasi hindi pwedeng manood yung ref sa inyo all throughout. So, ang babatayan lang ng refs natin is the kitchen line. Your footfalls and your service, yun ang babayaran nila. It's the blue line. It's the blue line dun sa kabila. Thank you, Coach Leia. No, so, we have coaches here. Diyan si Coach Leia. Si Coach Rolly, I think, is also here. And are there any questions? So yun yung mga basic rules natin.
I can walk around and kung may question kayo.
Are there any questions? So basic rules lang yun because I believe we know, all of us know the basic rules for today. Spectators, of course, you cannot coach during the game. No? So, yeah. And if there's if there's a service, no, and there's a bad bounce, ano yun? Hindi na ulitin. Kasi eventually you'll change courts. Mapupunta rin sa kabila yung bad bounce na yun. No?
Dead spots.
Dead spots. Yung mga dead spots sa courts 5 to 8. Questions?
Alright, guys. I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Okay. I'll go.
Kapag may ball na napunta sa court nyo, whose job is it? Is it the referee's?
It should be the refs. The ref will just say, ball on court, reserve yun. Huwag kayo, minsan kasi yung the players will get upset. But it can happen kasi on your side too eh. So basta may tumakbo na bola, ball on court, reserve yun.
Good. Alright. Ano pa?
Anyone else with a question before we officially start?
One more. So may lumapit sa akin kanina, we asked pag tumama sa center pole, only on the center pole, tumama yung service. Reserve yun. Okay? So pag tumama sa net, and then with 20, of course good yun. But by the rule book kasi, if it hits the center pole, only the center pole, reserve siya. Kahit pasok daw, reserve.
Kahit pasok.